£72,000. That's how much the average service business loses every single year, and most don't even know it's happening. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly where the money goes and how to get it back. Let's talk about the most expensive mistake in your business. Here's the thing. Most service business owners think they have a marketing problem. Not enough leads, not enough traffic, not enough visibility. When I actually look at the numbers, that's almost never the issue. The real problem, you're just too slow. Average service business takes 47 hours to respond to a lead. 47 hours. That's 2 full days. And in those 2 full days, your lead has already booked with someone else. Let me show you exactly what happens in those 47 hours. Hour 1, your lead will fill out a form. They're motivated. They need your service. They're ready to spend money. Hour 2, they haven't heard from you, so they Googled 3 more companies and they call them. Hour 4, one of those companies answers. They book an appointment. Hour 12, they completely forgotten your name. Hour 47, you finally respond. You get a voicemail and they never call you back. This is happening to you every single week. Now let me show you what this costs. One lost lead per week times an average job value of £500. That's £26,000 a year gone. But here's where it gets worse. Because that one lost customer would have left you a review, that review would have brought in 2 more customers over the next year. That lost customer would have referred you to their neighbor. That's another 1,000 quid. And if they're a homeowner, they would have called you back for 3 more jobs over the next 5 years. When you add it all up, the lost job, the lost review, the lost referral, and the lost lifetime value, that one lead you didn't respond to fast enough cost you over £2,000. Not 500, 2,000. One lost lead per week times £2,000 equals £72,000 a year. 72 grand. And you don't even know it was happening. So why does this happen? Why is everyone so slow to respond? Here's the reality. You're on a job, your phone rings, you can't answer it, you're holding a drill, you're halfway up the ladder, you're in a client meeting. You get home at 6, you're exhausted, you see the missed call, you think, I'll call them back tomorrow. Or it's 11 p.m. on a Saturday night, there's an emergency burst pipe, they need someone now, you're asleep, you see it 8 a.m. in the morning, too late, they have already booked with someone else. You're not slow because you're lazy, you're slow because you're human. So here's the question. What if you could respond in 2 seconds over 47 hours? The research is brutal. If you respond within 5 minutes, you're 21 times more likely to qualify that lead. Within 60 seconds, 4 times more sales. If you wait longer than 30 minutes, you've lost 95% of that chance. 95%. Speed isn't nice to have, speed is everything. So what if you could respond to every single lead in 2 seconds? Not 2 hours, not 2 days. Every lead, every time, 11 p.m. Saturday night, Christmas morning, in the middle of your kid's birthday party, 2 seconds. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. It's 11 p.m. on a Saturday night. There's an emergency burst pipe. The lead will fill out your form. 2 seconds later, they get a text from your agent. Hey, this is X and Y and Z with your business name. I saw your message about the burst pipe. Are you available for a chat so I can get you sorted? Lead replies, AR asks 3 qualifying questions, confirms it's urgent, books them in for 8 a.m. Sunday, sends confirmation, sends reminder at 7 a.m. You wake up Sunday morning to a booked job to a qualified customer and 800 quid in your pocket. You didn't do nothing, you were asleep. Now let's talk about what this actually costs and what it makes you. Here's the maths. £4,000 set up, 127 quid a month to run. You're getting 200 leads a month. The AI books 20 appointments. Say you can close 5 of them, 1,600 quid each. That's £8,000 in revenue. Month 1, after you paid the setup fee, you're making 94% return on investment. Every month after that, you're spending 127 quid a month and making 8 grand. That's a 6,200% monthly return. Show me another investment that does that. So let's put this together. Right now, you're losing 72k per year from slow responses. With a 2-second AI agent, you're making £96,000 a year from the same leads. That's a £168,000 swing. Same business, same leads, different speed. Look, you didn't start your business to sit on your phone at 11 p.m. on a Saturday answering the same questions over and over. You started it to make money and to have a life. This is how you do both. If you want to see exactly how this works for your business, book a free strategy call and we'll look at your lead volume, your response time, and show you exactly how much money you're leaving on the table. The link is in the description. I'm Charlie, this is Chat Genius AI, and I'll see you in the next one.